Upgrade your driving safety with smarter visibility and clear recording. Best dashcam mirror options combine cameras, touchscreen displays, and parking protection. We picked top models that deliver reliability, sharp footage, and useful features for every trip. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. VROAVIE 360-degree dashcam mirror. The VROAVIE 360-degree dashcam mirror is a practical option for drivers who want complete coverage around their vehicle. Its 4-channel camera system records the front, rear, left, and right sides, helping reduce blind spots and giving peace of mind during daily driving or parking. The 12-inch mirror display is large and clear, making it easy to monitor footage in real time while still functioning as a rear-view mirror. Full HD 1080p recording captures sharp details, and the wide-angle lens helps cover more of the road. Night driving is another strong point, thanks to the f1.8 aperture, which improves clarity in darker conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control make downloading videos and adjusting settings simple from a smartphone. GPS tracking adds speed and route data, which can be useful for insurance claims or travel records. Loop recording keeps the camera running continuously, while emergency lock protection saves important files after impacts. With parking mode support and broad recording coverage, this mirror dashcam is a dependable choice for safety-focused drivers. Number 2. WOLFBOX G930 Dashcam Mirror. The WOLFBOX G930 dashcam mirror stands out for its premium 4K front camera and reliable rear recording system. It offers excellent detail, allowing drivers to capture road signs, license plates, and surrounding traffic with impressive sharpness. The streaming rearview mirror design provides a wider and clearer rear perspective than a traditional mirror, which can improve confidence while driving. Its touchscreen controls are responsive and simple, letting users switch views or adjust angles quickly. One of the best features is the upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which makes transferring videos to the mobile app faster and more stable. WDR and Super Night Vision technology help maintain clear footage in bright sunlight, nighttime traffic, or difficult lighting conditions. Built-in GPS displays speed and direction while driving, adding useful trip data. Loop recording automatically overwrites old footage, while the G-sensor locks clips after sudden impacts. With its combination of sharp video quality, smooth connectivity, and modern features, the G930 is an excellent dashcam mirror for everyday drivers.
Number 3. Jansite Dashcam Mirror. The Jansite Dashcam Mirror is a feature-rich model designed for drivers who want clear front and rear monitoring with easy touchscreen controls. It records in dual 1080p resolution, delivering sharp footage that can help capture license plates and road events clearly. The included 33-foot rear camera cable is especially useful for larger vehicles, SUVs or trucks, where shorter cables may not reach. Its 10-inch IPS full-touch display feels modern and responsive, allowing users to swipe between camera views, adjust brightness, and manage settings quickly. Night vision performance is strong thanks to the upgraded rear camera lens that improves low-light clarity. When reversing, the screen automatically displays parking guidelines to make backing up easier and safer. Loop recording ensures continuous use by replacing older files when storage is full, while the G-sensor protects important accident footage from being erased. It also supports up to 128GB memory cards for extended recording time. With practical features and flexible installation options, the Jansite Mirror Dashcam offers solid value for daily drivers. Number 4. Veement 4K Dashcam Mirror. The Veement 4K dashcam mirror delivers a smart mix of modern design, strong video quality, and hands-free convenience. Its 4K front camera records crisp footage with impressive detail, while the 1080p rear camera helps monitor traffic behind the vehicle. The 10-inch IPS touchscreen provides a bright, clear display and responds smoothly to touch gestures for adjusting settings or switching views. Night driving performance is improved by the f1.8 aperture and enhanced night vision system, helping capture clearer images in darker environments. One standout feature is voice control, allowing drivers to lock footage, take photos, or manage recording without taking their hands off the wheel. Wide-angle front and rear lenses help reduce blind spots and improve road awareness. Reverse Assist automatically activates the rear camera view when shifting into reverse, which is helpful for parking. Parking monitor support and G-sensor protection add extra security when the vehicle is unattended. For drivers wanting convenience and quality together, the Veement VT10 is a strong option. Number 5. Pelsee P12 Pro Dashcam Mirror. The Pelsee P12 Pro Dashcam Mirror is an advanced choice for drivers who want safety technology along with high-quality recording. Its 4K front camera captures detailed footage of roads, vehicles, and license plates, while WDR technology helps balance bright and dark areas for clearer results. What makes this model stand out is its ADAS collision avoidance system, which offers alerts for lane departure, forward collision risks, pedestrian detection, and traffic movement. Blind spot detection adds another layer of awareness, helping during lane changes or reversing. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows quick connection to the mobile app, making video playback, downloads, and sharing smooth and convenient. Voice control is another useful feature, letting drivers start recording or take snapshots using spoken commands. GPS tracking records routes and location data, which can be valuable after accidents or for trip review. Parking monitor mode adds protection when the vehicle is parked. With its smart driver assistance features and strong camera performance, the P12 Pro is an impressive premium dashcam mirror. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.